Looking for dependable PCB assembly services that deliver quality and speed? You've just found your trusted manufacturing partner. In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes of our all-in-one PCB manufacturing and assembly solution designed to support engineers, startups, product designers, and hardware innovators across every stage of their development. We're not just a supplier, we're your strategic partner in accelerating time to market, minimizing production costs, and maximizing performance. Whether you're prototyping or scaling up for mass production, we bring precision engineering, industrial-grade reliability, and expert support to every board we build. Rocket White, choose us. One-stop PCB solution, from PCB fabrication to assembly and testing, all under one roof. Save time, cost, and hassle. Quick turnaround times. Standard lead times as fast as 24 to 48 hours for prototypes and small batches. Advanced SMT and THT capabilities, supporting fine pitch, BGA, QFN, and mixed technology assemblies. Global component sourcing. Strategic partnerships with DG Key, Mouser, and other global distributors ensure genuine parts. Fast sourcing. 100% functional testing available. No MOQ required. Start small, scale later. Ideal for R&D, startups, and Kickstarter hardware projects. Drop a comment below with your PCB needs or ask us a technical question. Our engineers are answering all week. DFM support. Get free design for manufacturability checks before production to avoid costly errors. IPC A 610 E-Class 2 and 3 standards, strict quality controls for both commercial and high reliability applications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your dev team or hardware community.